Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Welcome to English class. Okay, today we're gonna be doing the turkey story where it says wild and domestic turkeys. Here's your turkey down here. I heard that it's not always called pavo, it's called polote. We're gonna be talking about the ones that live in live outside homes and those that are raised inside homes today. And then, I know it's not a tradition to eat Thanksgiving dinner in Honduran homes, but you guys get to make a fake, imaginary Thanksgiving dinner today with this happy menu activity, okay? So, let's get started on what you have to do. This one, we are going to read together. Just like yesterday, if you want to read it out loud with me, you can. Okay, let's do it. One of the best parts of the Thanksgiving meal is the large bird. In the center of the table, surrounded with stuffing, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and many more great foods. Okay, when you guys think of those foods, think about what foods would you want to have at a big cena, okay? Because you guys don't eat the same foods as the people in the United States. So we eat stuffing. It's like this wet pond, but it's super yummy, okay? Because it's not like wet with water. It has certain sauces on it and certain spices inside of it and different carne inside of it, okay? Then we eat cranberry sauce, which is a fruit that's round and red, and we make a sauce out of it and eat it by itself because it's thick, it's grueso. Puré de papa, so that's mashed potatoes, and many more great foods, it says. The turkey is the largest bird that we eat in America, okay? Are there bigger birds? Are there bigger birds? Yeah, there's bigger birds, but not the ones that we eat, okay? This is the largest turkey that we eat. Turkeys are native to America and Mexico, okay? So they are found in America and Mexico, which makes sense because Mexico is part of America. And here too, okay? The turkey that we feast on is the domestic turkey, which is quite different from the wild turkeys that the Pilgrims and the Native Americans would have eaten, okay? Now, in the United States, it's not like we go out and hunt for our own turkey. Well, some people hunt for their own turkey. Do you hunt for your own turkey?
My friends do.
Miss Bethany's friends hunt for their own turkey, okay? We just go to the store and we buy the domestic turkey. In fact, it says in the second paragraph, look at the second paragraph. In fact, today we have both wild turkeys and domestic turkeys. Wild turkeys live in the woods, so that's like the bosque, and eat acorns, seeds, those are semillas, small insects, and wild berries. They sleep at night in low branches of trees by flying. Yes, these big birds can fly. Did you guys know that? Raise your hand if you knew that turkeys fly. These are the kinds of turkeys that the Pilgrims and Native Americans would have seen in their woods. Okay, so those are the turkeys that who ate before? Who were the two kinds of people that were inside the first Thanksgiving? Pilgrims and the Indians, the Native Americans, okay? So these are the kinds of turkeys that they would find. What kind of turkeys? The wild or the domestic? The wild turkeys, okay? We enjoy a domestic turkey for our Thanksgiving feast. The domestic turkeys weigh twice as much as a wild turkey, okay? So they're very, very fat. When it says that they weigh twice as much, that means that their peso is doble that of a wild turkey. They have fattened up over the years to be a better food source. So when we eat a domestic turkey, it's because they waited till that turkey was super, super, super gordo, and then we're gonna eat the turkey. So these turkeys, can they fly? No, it says right here, these turkeys cannot fly because their weight is too high, it's too much. All turkeys, look at the fourth paragraph, all turkeys have a unique digestive system. Having no teeth, the turkey has two parts to their stomach, okay, to their estómago. They have two parts to digest all their food. The first part of their stomach breaks down the food, so they descomponer it with natural acids. And the second part, which is the gizzard, everyone say that word, gizzard. uses small stones that the turkey swallows to grind the food. Okay, stones are little piedras. So turkeys are very interesting birds. And I'm sure if you guys want to look up a little YouTube video about how interesting turkeys are, it would be an interesting thing to watch. Look at number 1. What bird do we eat on Thanksgiving? What do wild turkeys eat? What is different about wild turkeys compared to domestic turkeys? And what do turkeys use to grind their food? That means to mash it up, to descomponer más. 4 questions, easy questions to see if you understand the difference between wild and domestic turkeys, okay? After you do that page, now you get to create your own Thanksgiving, okay? So look what you're gonna do. It says right here that you are going to plan the trip. So how do you plan a trip? It's very important that we know how to plan things and how to organize. So I don't know, maybe you guys have a plan. When you get ready to do homework every day, maybe you take out your homework sheet and you just go first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, or maybe you write your own plan. There was even a little second grader the other day whose mom sent us his beautiful plan he makes to remember all the things that he needs to do in the day. So you guys get to plan a trip, okay? First, you're gonna put the destination. Where do you wanna go on your trip? You can go wherever you want to go. Then right here, you're gonna put the things you're gonna do on the trip. So use your imagination. Maybe you wanna go to Greece. Maybe you wanna go to Egypt. Maybe you wanna go to Italy. Maybe you wanna go to the Tierra Firme. Maybe you wanna go to a different island. You pick where you wanna go. Then, what things are you going to do? How are you going to get there? What transportation do you need? Do you need a plane? Do you need a car? Do you need a plane and a car and then a boat and then a taxi? What do you need? And then what are you going to eat at breakfast? What's breakfast? Desayuno. Lunch. What's lunch? Almuerzo. And then dinner. What's dinner? Cena. Okay? So you get to go on a vacation in your mind. Sorry, you can't go there for real unless you're going to buy the ticket yourself. And plan your trip. Let's see how organized you are. You guys can decorate around it if you want to. But we're going to go on a vacation in our mind today with that. Okay? Happy Thanksgiving. Love you. Have fun with your English activities today. Bye.